Now let us consider tuples. Now tuples is a collection of elements. Uh, they are immutable. That is, I cannot change. The values that are there in the tuple, they can be of any type, and again they are accessed by index like list. But lists are mutable. I can change the values in the list, but tuples are not mutable. So this is an example of a tuple. I can say tuple 1. These are the two strings in the tuple 1. Or I can also have some mixed type, integer, string, another integer, string, and the tuples are given within simple brackets. They can have any number of elements, and the elements can be of any data type. How do I access tuples? I access tuples by using the index. So I will say, so here if I have a tuple given within simple brackets, apple, banana, and cherry, and if I say fruits of one as in one index, so zero index, one index. So it will print banana. And I cannot, because I can access only a part of the tuple. I cannot delete a part of the tuple. So using the del method, the entire tuple gets deleted. I cannot delete a part of the tuple. So entire tuple gets deleted. So if there is a tuple and I say del of the name of the tuple num, entire tuple gets deleted.